Hey guys, welcome back again. Let's have a look into the calendar spreads and monthly, weekly errand fly combinations that we had for last week. I have created weekly calendar spreads, whereas the videos what we have here is 2 day strategy, and the logic is same. You can use the same logic for creating the double calendars in Nifty and Back Nifty, and you can have the same adjustments what we have here. Same logic, same adjustments, whereas the time period is different. So last week I gave example for a weekly calendar spread. Before that, we have seen just for 2 days how do we maintain the calendar spread with adjustments and earn profit. Adjustments are playing very important role for weekly and 2 days. Sometimes without adjustments, you can earn good profit, but good to know the adjustments. Last 2 weeks, I think with adjustments, you saw how we earned good profit. Yesterday, I could not make the video for some reasons, and yesterday, I come to calendar spreads. Was waiting in the bank Nifty double calendar till the end of the day. It has taken away some of my profit because my adjustments. I made some mistakes in the adjustments because of other work. Also, I made it in a wrong time, and I could not watch it continuously in the last moments, and it has taken 1% profit back. Anyways, we have close to 2% profit in bank Nifty double calendar, whereas Nifty double calendar I closed early. I also commented last video, YouTube video. We closed it in the middle of the day with around 3% of profit in double calendar Nifty. It was good overall. So it's a weekly calendar spread. So before that, we have seen we earned it for just in 2 days, close to this profit. You should be careful for like loss side also. If there is a bigger movement, so you should know to adjust, and if there is too much of directional, you can exit with a stop loss. Okay. Otherwise, the majority of the times we are earning with these calendar spreads because the VIX is low again. You can continue doing the calendar spreads. And my favorite monthly, weekly iron fly combo. Yesterday expiry day, right? So I started selling from both the sides. And good in the expiry yesterday because I was selling from both the sides within the same capital and from PECE. In the end, it become directional, but our strikes were sitting at 33,000 200, so it expired worthless, and I could not sell next week's yet. Yesterday I was totally busy. Because of that, I could not focus on this, and this especially I had to give some of my profit. I could not log the profit, so this one is good. We closed it early, and now my plan is selling the weekly P again to this direction, right? So this become lossless now. If you see, this is monthly alone. We have exited all the weekly spreads legs. Now currently we have only monthly, and if you can see the upper side, we just have 8,000 loss in this leg, and it's not a difficult task to close it and make it profitable this side also. Let's start selling from the P side weekly fourth, and I'll sell around 50, 1 is to 2, and we know what is the stop loss and how do we play with this. And I will just keep an edge for the margin benefit and also for safety reasons. So this is how it looks. To the upside, we will not have any more loss, and we'll have a bigger range to the down. And the stop loss is now around 50 to 70% for now. And let's see if we based on the premiums and market condition will decide. If you see this, we have a good premium to the down, call leg. So even if it comes to the downside, we'll a good cushion from this. Or you can give a 70% stop loss in this also, not a problem. So we made it lossless to the upside now, and to the downside we have a bigger range. And if it continues to move, come down, and we'll close this, we don't have any problem to the downside. Because, and if you let me show you one more thing again. So if it continuously coming to the downside, we can exit that, and we'll have a good payoff graph to the upside. So, and there'll be like no issues to the downside. We can take the stop loss and exit, and if it comes somewhere in this range, we'll start selling from the call side. Whereas if it continues to go up, we keep accumulating the profit from weekly PE legs. So it's very easy to manage monthly, weekly iron fly without any loss, and we keep collecting the profit week on week. And that's the reason I become little less aggressive. Earlier I was more aggressive and I was earning more than 10% also. Now I little bit, I mean, I am little cool now. I'm taking lesser profit, collecting slowly. See, this is, we completed 1 week and 1.5, close to 2% profit so far. And if we get 5% is also good enough now. I'm not targeting 5 20 5 sorry 10 15 20% like earlier. So capital is growing. I'm also investing in many other strategies, uh, calendars, monthly, weekly, iron fly, and also covered calls. Covered call is having some bigger capital. So I am not targeting high returns now. Okay, the plan is to continue with monthly, weekly iron fly combo and keep accumulating the profit from P side if it continues to go up. And if it reverses, we'll take stop loss and start selling from call side in the weekly. So I think yesterday, I mean, it has, if you see the daily chart pattern, so it is moving up continuously, and 43,000 acting as a resistance now, and there is a resistance from this side also if you see. Okay, the back to back green candles made, and there will be a profit booking or slight rejection from the upper side also. Let's see what happens. So we don't worry, because based on market directions we'll take our positions, and it's very easy to manage from monthly, weekly combo based on the market direction. And the calendars I'll take in the last 2 days. This week I'll go for a 2 days strategy, not a weekly. And I'll post the monthly strategy soon on calendars, and that will be very easy to maintain, especially for the job hours. I'll try for this weekend, and maybe on Saturday mid of the day I'll try, based on my other tasks. uh, but I'm seeing very less views on my daily updated views. I'm not sure if you are liking the daily updates. um, Otherwise I will have to change my plan of videos or updates. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.